Alright guys, got the big air kit in. Success. So this is what we got. We got the see-through. And I think I'm going to like it because of the gold butterflies. As long as I can keep it clean. They kind of go with the bike, right? Of course it's going to be louder. It's typical. But I think we're good. Success. Now, the other side. So of course this side we're going to do the same thing that we did to the other bike. Right now we're empty. I'm going to go in there with that sub. I'm just going to use the same box. Some of you know I was working on a new box. I'll probably still put it together. Don't know what the heck I'll do with it. Make sure it fits after I get done with the new one. Might put it on eBay or something. Who knows? See if anybody's got any interest in it. But the old box is going to go here. I've got a chrome grill now instead of that silver. That chrome grill is going to look great. So that 8-inch bolt is going to be in there. We're going to drop those sub wires right between here like we did last time into the box. It's going to be good. I am going to go back into this bike. I don't like this Rockford Fosgate amp. It's not strong enough for me. It's just not strong enough. I'm not putting out enough power to my speakers to make me happy. So we're either going with that Clarion 5-channel amp again, or else we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do something different. That's just all there is to it. So guess that's it, guys. Still got to hook up the tweeters, but this bike's pretty much we're pretty darn close to being done. The bars, again, I love the way that these factory bars are because of the width. I've been looking at aftermarket bars, but all of those aftermarket bars have a spacing of about 11 inches, 10 to 12 inches, all the way up. So when you get a 10 to 12 inch, you're going straight up, you're blocking everything. So your field of view gets really narrower, and you have to look to see the other gauges. I like it open, but I do need them. I need them higher. I need them higher. But I guess that's it, guys. Go get you some oil. MEtricoil.com, and remember, do not use Barnett friction plates in a clutch. Do not use Barnett friction plates in a clutch. That's all I got. See you next time, guys.